Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do just a really quick unboxing of a new watch that I recently received. We're going to start having some more watch content on the channel, so I would encourage everyone who's interested in watches, cars, or both to please subscribe. I know they've been two passions of mine for a long time, and I think the two go hand in hand. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Longines 1945 Heritage Re-Edition. This is a vintage-inspired watch, much like many of the watches that are being released now. But I think what sets this watch apart a little bit is the fact that it doesn't seem to be trying too hard. You're not going to notice any fake patina on this watch. And it has a lot of modern features. Looks like it's wrapped in plastic here to protect the case. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me. This is an ETA-based movement watch. It's an automatic movement, and the movement itself is based on the ETA 2895/2. There we go. What I really liked about this watch and what drew me to this watch in particular was the unique dial. It's really tough these days to find anything unique in watches. Almost everything's been done, it seems. And in this one, you've got what's been described as a copper, and some call it a salmon dial, which really sets it apart and makes it beautiful. You've got a nice vintage looking leather strap that comes with this one as well. And you can see the solid case back. It comes in at 40mm case size, which I think is pretty much a universal case size and can be worn by anyone with a larger wrist or smaller wrist as well. And you can see the small seconds sub-dial here. Really just a beautiful case, beautiful hands, and I think this is one that just works really well. Let's see what else. I think there was a book that came with this one, a rather large book if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you can see here. Large is an understatement. Look at the size of this manual. I can't imagine what's in here, but I'll be sure to take a look through. Holy cow. I think computer manuals are smaller than that. At any rate, pretty excited to wear this one. And maybe in a later video I'll give you some initial impressions. The nice thing about this watch here, you get a really stylish look that's modern and vintage at the same time, with a suggested retail of only $1,800. And these are widely available at this point, and if you look hard you can definitely find it for even less than the $1,800, which is quite a value in today's mechanical watch environment. Longines really doing some cool stuff lately with some of their heritage and their re-editions. This is the first one I've purchased, but there's definitely some others I have my eye on. So again, subscribe, keep your eye on the channel. We'll be bringing some more car and watch content to you. Leave any comments and suggestions below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.